Yo. Hello guys, welcome back. And this is the last week of June, and we are stepping into July. There's a lot of activities for this new. So this is apparently the first week of July. This is apparently the first week of July. So, and I had non-farm payroll, which is supposed to be Friday, was moved to Thursday because there was a public holiday on Friday. So this week we're having non-farm payroll on Thursday. Wow, that's amazing. For the first time, I've been trading over 5 years. This is the first time I'm having non-farm payroll. This is the first time I'm observing that non-farm payroll comes out to be on Thursday. It's always on Friday, but it's all good. So let's go into DXY. I want us to start with DXY. Let's see what we have for DXY. We all know DXY has been bearish for some while. I've been bearish on DXY for some while. Yeah, because of what DXY have been presenting. So highs, higher low, highs, higher low. Last week we talked about this low. I think, was it last week or some weeks back? I talked about this low, and we have finally taken out this low significantly, showing that there is enough sellers for US dollar. Now, is US dollar going to crash? This is a question a lot of people is asking. Crashing US dollar will take a lot of years. From here, this is, you can see this this took about 2008 to 2025. Wow, that means it will take the same number of years to equally fall down. But falling down will be faster. I think climbing up is a little bit harder, but coming down is faster. Gravity will push these guys down. But I'm not sure the XY wants to go as low as crashing, because the United States economy is a little bit very large and it contains a lot of things. So I'm not sure we're going to have that for now. But I'm looking presently to the last leg that pushed price out of the zone. Now, the areas that I'm looking forward to see price reject is currently, this was the last low before the break. This was the last low before it was broken. So we have this zone here, and also this zone at the bottom here. These two zones here. We have these two zones here. Okay, these two zones here. So I'm looking forward to these zones as price might react from this zone. And presently we've broken from this zone, so hopefully this zone will also be a rejection zone. This zone here will be a rejection zone. So yes, so these zones here are zones that presently I'm looking forward to seeing reactions on these zones here. But ultimately we are still falling down to this area. So my first area here this week is this zone, which is 94. I'm looking forward to 94 to see what happens in 94. So let's go down to weekly and let's see what we have from the weekly view. From the weekly view, we still have continuations. We have continuations. So this zone is this area that I'm looking to see the reaction if price fails, and price has shown that we are continuing the sales. You can see this last low was rejected, this last low was also rejected, so we are continuing the sell down to this zone. And on the daily, we were still back in the trend. Remember I said price should react in this zone last week, and we got a reaction in this zone. Price acted as if it's going to take out. Oh, price came back. So I'm still looking for price to come down to this zone here, 94. I'm still looking for price to come down to this zone, and when price come down to this zone, I might see price retrace back. So on 4 hour, let's see. There's not much for me this on DXY presently, because price is bearish for me on DXY. You can remember price came back in here and broke out from this lows. So presently I'm waiting for price to break and come back. So either price breaks and tap into the zone before coming back, or immediately we have some reaction to continue the sell. So this week I'm still bearish on DXY, and no matter how bullish it is, price can reject here before the sell-off, or price can still come back here before the sell-off. So either of the two zones is suitable for sales, but whatever it is, I'm bearish on BTC. Why will I change my plan for bearish setup if price change is for me to change my view on a bullish area means that price has to take out this zone for me. Once price comes back here and take out this zone, then I'm bullish. So if price comes back here and sell, I'm still bearish. But if price comes and take out this guy here, which is presently the immediate swing high, then I know that there's problem and possibility of bullish setup is arising. But for now, I'm bearish for more sales on the XY. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful week. Bye for now.